In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can awaken the dark fruit here in Blox Fruits. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, there's one major prerequisite. You do have to be in the second C, which means you have to at least be level 700 plus. Now, essentially, to host raids yourself, you're going to need to be level 1100, so that's what I personally recommend. And you're also going to need about 14,500 fragments to fully awaken your fruit. But essentially, to start, be in the second sea and go to Hot and Cold Island and enter the lab on the cold side and use the code red, blue, green, blue. This is going to go ahead and open up the secret door, so go ahead and go through that and find the mysterious scientist. We could buy a raid chip for about 100,000 belly or just trade a fruit. That's why you need to be level 1100, so just keep that in mind. But essentially, to start the dark raid and clear all 5 islands, and after beating the boss, you'll be teleported to a room with an NPC in that room. Talk to him, and then of course that'll allow you to unlock those moves faster. But you need to unlock them in order. You need to do, the dimensional slash move, then the ghastly step, then abyssal darkness, then endless hole and world of darkness, all in that order, and you will be good to go. You've now successfully awakened the dark fruit. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.